Hello everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel, your AI guide. First, we will do the basic step like how to import dataset in our Power BI page. So first, we will choose the blank report page. So this is our Power BI page, blank page. So here we will see like how we will import the dataset from our Excel sheet or another. There is another options. So we are going to use Excel data. So this is the first step, like import data from Excel sheet in middle of the page. And in the menu, there is another options, get data. So click on this options and you have to click on Excel workbook and go to the folder where you save your data. Click on the data set and open it here. Click on load option. So now our data is ready to view. As you can see in the right side of the page, there is our data set, like we are using supermarket sale data. If you click, these are the columns. If you want to see in a table view, you click on the left side of the page in a table view. So this is our table view. So this is the very simple and basic step, or this is the first step in Power BI. So for today we will stop here. For the next part we will learn like how to clean our data, like how to remove duplicates and how to create new measures and columns. So for that one we will do in our next video. Thank you for watching this video and don't forget to follow us for